So this is a Toshiba Satellite laptop teardown. To get to the RAM, you'll want to take off this one screw, pry that off. You can change your RAM either from right there, or if you want to keep going, these are the screws you'll want to pull off. There's one there, another one there, there. Oh, that's the same one for your... Once you got all those ones pulled off, just slide your CD-ROM out, or DVD-ROM, whichever one you have. Then you can start at one of the corners. I like to flip it around here and start at this corner here by the hinges. Just give it a little pry, go all the way around. I already previously done this, so it's a little easier for the video's sake. Now you can pretty much access anything you want from right here. The hard drive has a few screws in it. There's usually 4. This one in particular has 2. This is to remove your battery. There's one screw, another one there, another one there. Now you'll want to pull out your connector, and your battery should come out free. Same with your hard drive. You just want to slide that upwards and it'll come right out, or downwards on this view. That is your CMOS battery. And that's pretty much it. This would be your CPU. You got 4 little screws to pull out. Remove your heatsink, your GPU, and to reassemble, it's basically everything that was just done in reverse. Thanks for watching.